If you find an unknown spill or sticky residue in a trash can, treat it as potentially hazardous and stop before you touch anything. First, put on disposable gloves and, if available, a simple surgical mask to avoid breathing fumes. Carefully remove the entire trash bag by lifting it straight up and tying it closed without shaking it to prevent splashes. Place the tied bag into a second bag and seal that one as well to contain any leakage, then carry the double-bagged waste to the appropriate disposal bin or temporary storage area. If the residue is on the can itself, avoid using bare hands. Scoop loose material with a disposable tool such as a stiff piece of cardboard or a plastic scoop and deposit it into the double-bagged trash. Clean the interior with warm water and a household detergent using a scrub brush. Then disinfect with a bleach solution of 1 part household bleach to 9 parts water or an EPA-registered disinfectant, letting it sit for at least 5 minutes before rinsing. Dry the can thoroughly and replace with a clean bag, and wash your hands and any reusable tools you used with soap and water, even if you wore gloves. Common mistakes include touching the substance with bare hands, which risks contamination, so always use gloves and avoid skin contact, leaving a single bag that is leaking, so place the bag into a second bag and seal it. Another issue is inadequate cleaning, where people wipe once and assume it is safe, so scrub with detergent before applying a disinfectant and allow the disinfectant proper contact time. A third mistake is ignoring ventilation when fumes are present, so move the can outdoors or open windows and avoid inhaling until the area is aired out. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors, and contractors find work by connecting people to each other and sharing practical project information. We also host a discussion community where we and others exchange tips on safe disposal and cleanup practices.